Hi crafters, it's Kathy here from Scrap and Bean. I'm going to share with you a tool that I've been using for over a year when I do my journaling. These special journaling pens, they come in pink, we carry them in black, and we also carry them in blue. Pink's kind of a fun color. Generally, I use a lot personally is the black one. Some of the reasons we might hesitate to do journaling is we don't like the look of our own writing. We tend to make mistakes. What if we spell somebody's name wrong? What if we're journaling on our scrapbook layout and we spell the name of the town wrong? Or we get journaling away and run out of space. All the words we thought don't fit in there. Well, here's one thing you can do is go ahead and write, journal to your heart's content, change your mind, and guess what? You can erase it. I'm going to show you some journaling with it. You can see what it looks like, that it is ink, and you'll also be able to see that you can erase. So let's zoom in here and we'll get up nice and close so that you can actually see that it's ink and then I'm really writing on the scrapbook paper. This is the black pen. So I'm going to just write the date along here. Actually, I'll do some journaling like I had. By the way, I have written and erased on the same spot. This will be the third time now. So I'm just going to write that this is the street. Oh, whoops, misspelled that. Okay, no problem. Okay, so you can see it's actually ink there. Now I'm going to go in and erase it. By the way, this paper is scrapbooking design paper. It's made by Reminisce, and that brand tends to do very thin paper, which this is. It's quite thin. But you can see it erases beautifully. Get off the last mark there. There. There's no damage to the paper, even though that's the third time I've erased in the same spot. And there is no residual, there's no eraser crumbs, and there's no ink left there. So I can go in and rewrite on it, or I can just leave it with no journaling, put my journaling someplace else. The beauty of it is you can change your mind. If you're anything like me, when I'm crafting, I continually change my mind until a project is done. I switch things up. I switch up the pictures. I switch up the embellishments. I switch up how I have the layers done. And of course, when it comes to writing, I like the option to switch that up as well. So here you go. There's the pens again. Black, blue, and pink are the colors that we're currently carrying. We have lots of those in stock. As well, we actually have in stock the papers and all the embellishments that I made this layout. If that inspires you to do something similar, we have in stock today the papers, these beautiful flowers from Prima, the die I used, Tim Holtz Sizzix die to cut out some extra leaves to give it dimension, and these really cool acetate embellishments. I also added some glitter writs here and there on the leaves if you can see a little bit of sparkle. I don't know if that shows up on the camera very well, but that's in there. And all of that's available at Scrap and Bean. Can't guarantee how long they'll last because once we do a sample, it does tend to sell out. And remember, while you're in, pick up your journaling pens at Scrap and Bean. Happy crafting!